Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Terminator custom Chevy pickup truck build. And although there's still a lot missing at this point, I'm actually on the home stretch with this build, since most of what's missing at this point is basically trim parts. I've taken care of all the major assemblies now, and taking a look at what's been done since the last video. The gloss black is on it now, and I've done the bulk of the polishing. I still need to do a little bit of touch-up in a couple of places, as well as do the trim work on the fenders, door handles, window surrounds, things like that. This windshield is actually a scratch-built surround, because the way that the kit's made, there's nothing there. The glass and the body have a gap between them all the way around, but especially up here at the roof. So once I got the glass in place, I made that from some thin floral wire and glued that in place, did some paint touch-up around the edges of it, and I need to add one last piece right here in the middle, and then I'm going to put the windshield wipers over it and do some matte black painting around to look like the rubber and chrome sandwich that these trucks had on them. I also need to do the same kind of trim work on the wing windows here. As you can see that there's still a gap there. It's not as bad as what was around the windshield, but you kind of get an idea of what I was looking at. Got the sliding rear window in place now, and that's just some flat clear styrene with the framework made out of matte aluminum bare metal foil. And last thing from the last video is I mentioned the ride height, and you can see that now that's a lot closer to what it should be. When I had it done originally, I had the rear axle installed wrong, so the ride height was way too high. But to me, this looks a lot closer to what the film truck should be. And I also got some 3D printed parts. And so there are my front and rear bumpers and the 8 driving lights to go on the roll bar and the front bumper. And these were done at Shapeways. Had a couple of other things for different projects on them. That's what this back sprue bit is. But overall, I think those look pretty decent. And I'm going to get these cut off, cleaned up, and chrome painted. So there we go. Like I said, just a kind of quick update on where I am on this. And next update, I am hoping to have this as the final finished model pictures. So check back then, and thanks for watching.